In an instant, everything can change.
A car accident that wasn't my fault, and now I'm suffering. The damages to my car, the injuries, the frustration, the paperwork, it's all overwhelming. At first I thought to contact my insurance company, but instead I contacted a non-fault claim company. At Nicholson Jones Sutton Solicitors, they helped me keep my insurance policy clean, got me a like-for-like replacement car the same day, and helped me claim on my injuries with a guaranteed no-win, no-fee service. With the right support, you and I can get the compensation that we deserve without all the hassle.
If you've been in a car accident that wasn't your fault, either as a passenger, a driver, a taxi, or even a bus accident, you may be entitled to compensation for whiplash. Our talented team at Nicholson Jones Sutton Solicitors can help you every step of the way, making sure you understand your rights and the claims process.
You don't have to go through this alone. We make the process simple, fast and stress-free. Contact us on 0800 2800 970 or visit www.njslaw.co.uk. Get the compensation that you deserve.